Dad, I need a ride home. I have no other ride home.
It's hot, man. Damn.
Dad, it's hot. No, I can't take the bus. I don't have no money. Are you gonna go pick me up or not, Dad? Okay, thank you. He's gonna pick us up, man. So just
I bet. I'm finna go get something in the house, alright? I'll be right back.
Alright, man, it's hot. Come on.
Alright, I'm coming.
He's coming. Yo! What is that? The door! The door, what are you... The door, Dad. Thank you, Dad. It's hot. I got a friend who's gonna come with us. Is that okay?
Bagen gars Jonas. Ok. Ouais, gen chan d'espérance. Ok. Bay bon Dieu gloire. Ok. Don't mess for me, ok? Gloire à Dieu, gloire à Dieu.
Damn. About time, man. Haitians always late.
Jonas met ti bel sou. Sa ou gen nan tèt ou, hein? What you got in your head? Eh? Game.
Dad, I just...
Okay. Yo, what we get up on? Shit.
What happened?
What happened?
What's going on?
Who's that?
I told you that's my friend that was gonna take home.
Jonas. Et moi on fait ça?
Dad,
Meilleur frère? Pour faire Jonas?
I'm sorry, man.
Non machine pas ou vagabond ça là?
His parents take me home.
I don't give a shit for your parents, Jonas. If he good parents, you don't let a child get cool left. Not take me shit. You got spaghetti coming from your head.
What?
Listen, Jonas.
I'm sorry, bro.
Quel on va attendre ça arriver? Est-ce qu'on connaît ça arriver petite 5 minutes? Cocaïne, Jonas, crack. By put yo mette nommé yo. Et puis yo prend nommé yo, Jonas. I don't got a crack. Jonas.
I told him.
You touch my son. You touch my son, bro. You touch my son.
Man, these those crazy, bro.
You touch my son. I'm going to beat you with the son experience. You got problem. You got big problem today. You got problem today.
687.
Moyem wela, moyem kosa, touche mo ba.